Alright guys, let's do a little quick unboxing of my wuben H1 headlamp. That's the first thing you notice. Very interesting packaging. I do like the little face here. Makes it look like a fun light to have. And it is different from all the other packaging you've seen on all your other flashlights. So basically just go through here quick. High is 12,000 lumens. I should say 1200 lumens for a minute, then it steps down to 500 for 2 hours. So it's a step down timer instead of the temp sensor on it. Medium is 400 lumens for 2.6 hours. Low 80 lumens for 14 hours. It has a moon, which is nice. 500 hours. Then it has a couple auxiliary lights on there. White, red flashing. This also can run off of 1, 2, 3 batteries as well. Costs about $35 off of Amazon.com. User manual. Couple extra O-rings. Pretty much in every package these days for lights. Here's the strapping right here. Has a little rubber grips on the inside. Stretchy, adjustable. I don't see any threads at all sticking out. This is actually the second light that I actually bought. One thing I noticed is this right here is going to be reflective at night so that people can actually see you. Nice and smooth threads. A little battery protector there to stop it from turning on. Includes a 2,600 milliamp battery. See a pretty nice spring right there. A little flat top on the inside right there. There's a USB charging port right there. Seems a little flimsy, you could possibly tear it off. Little piece of rubber right there. So just be careful. There is a breathing light on. It's probably pretty cool. Looks like you gotta click it 3 times from the off position.